Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to view thumbnail pictures in Windows 11. You can go to the folder where you will see the icon of the item. There, click on the menu and choose Options. Now in the View tab, locate the line Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails. Uncheck this box. Click on Apply and OK. By doing so, you can see your image as it is. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.